My storybook. 1. Write a text of 10 sentences in which you introduce yourself. I must include name, age, to personality traits, and activity you like and activity you don't like, location and favorite book. Okay. My name is Andres Felipe Reyes. I was born on July 20, 2001 in San Martin Meta. I'm 18 years old. I consider myself a friendly person. Sometimes I am a little temperamental. I like to play basketball. I like to help people. I do like to go for a walk. Sorry. I currently live in San Martin Meta. I don't have a favorite book. 2. Write description of 10 sentences of your favorite celebration or party in most include name of of the celebration, activities performed, food, clothes worn. Apart for Christmas, the other favorite party is the Village Festival. It's called the Plain and Tourist Festival of the Plain. This activity is celebrated in November. In her they are released to say the birthday of the town. Parade of schools, Paris of Dame of Janeiro music, the native sport of the Llaneros, that is the coleus. For this day we also have the show of the legendary guns of San Martin that are an intangible heritage of the nation, which consists of a series of equestrian games. The food that can be deliced in the festival is all that ratio with the plain. The clothing that is used is what represents the generous to house. 3. Write a description of 10 sentences of the use, use house of the housework you do at home. Use a pair of frequent, always, something, never, rarely, often. For example, I usually don't do the dishes. Almost every day I wake up at 9 a.m. Every time I get up, I fix my bed. I often help clean the bathroom. I always wash the lounge floor. I rarely help to wash clothes. I go out to buy things for lunch. I help my dad so sometime for lunch. At night I prepare my food. I always help to sweep the street trash a little. Sometimes my house gets muddy. 4. Write a list of 10 sentences for TV shows or movies or music or books you are currently watching, listening or reading. The last two sentences should present what you are always doing at 7 a.m. and at 7 p.m. Example: currently, I am reading Osho's books of script. I always have breakfast at 7 a.m. Every night I seek make unique survival. Also horror movie, action movie, kid programs, in adult programs. I almost don't like to read. I listen electronic music. I also hear reggaeton at 7 a.m. I'm still sleeping. At 7 p.m. I am at my girlfriend's house accompanying her and sharing a time with her. 5. Write a description of 10 sentences on the clothes your soul wear according to the four seasons or the different watches. Example: we must wear a scarf in winter. Almost all the time of the year where I live it hot. So I wear more comfortable clothing like shorts. I also use t-shirts. Sometimes I wear jeans and camisoles. When there is an important meeting, then I wear more cheerful clothes. The day is cold and rain in I put on coat clothes that warm me up a little. In the mornings, I usually walk in shorts and t-shirt. For cold days, I use a closed shoes. For hot days, I wear sandals. At night, I sleep only in shorts.